My vents are open. Open your vents. And my GoPro being in front of my little vent in the front bottom mouth part doesn't help it. But the one in the forehead, I don't feel no air there. I feel no air there. So, if anyone's ever wondering about my GoPro setup and mic setup, I got my setup from Chase on 2 Wheels. Exactly the way he made a video a couple years ago about how he did his. Did mine exactly the way. The same Purple Panda mic, the GoPro adapter, the same case that goes over it, the metal one. Cause like, when it gets hot like this, like I use the sticky pads like the GoPro adapter comes with. Like when you buy the adapter, it comes with the little 2-way tape things. I use those, and when it gets hot like this, your camera starts to sag. And you're like, oh, why is my camera weird? Why is it sagging like that? And it's because it's so hot out here that the GoPro is like, the sticky pad's unsticky. So, if your camera falls off, you're gonna want, and it hits the ground, you're gonna want it to protect it. So I definitely, like, I bought my 7, not when it was new, my Hero 7, when it was not new, but it was new, and I still paid $400 for it. So I was like, and then like, you know what's crazy? I bought it for $400, and like exactly a week later, it was on sale for $350, and I'm like, oh my god. And I'm one of those dudes where I throw my receipt in the trash all the time for no, I don't know why. You know what I'm saying? I throw my receipts in the trash, and like when you go to Walmart and you're walking out and they ask you to see your receipt, I give the lady my receipt and I keep walking. I don't even stop. Like, here, take. You wanted the receipt? Here, take the receipt. Boom, bam, wham. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So I couldn't go back and get a discount on it, but so basically, like, my helmet, I got the Momentum regular, not the other one that's like a little more expensive. The one I got was $450. Camera was $400. My mic adapter, the mic, the casing for the GoPro, the little connectors for the GoPro to put it on the helmet, and then I bought a tinted visor for my helmet. So my helmet setup's about $1,000. But when it comes to brain buckets, I didn't want to go for the cheapest one. You know what I'm saying? And seeing them teamed up with LS2 for the helmet, so you know LS2 is actually a proven brand. But the ventilation, nope. I was hearing mixed reviews on the ventilation, so I got it to decide it more myself. And then they said the sizing is like good now, but when I first got it, I got the sizing, I got the medium because I did the measurement from the Monster Garage, and the measurement said that I needed a medium. When I first got it, the medium was freaking hurting my ears every time I put it on and took it off. So I should have went a large, but I gotta get home now because I am hot. It's time to kick it up to gear. Holy shit, I'm hot. So that guy there didn't give me a wave. Some people give me waves, some people don't. I'm not mad. I don't get mad. You don't gotta wave at me, bro. I feel like the bigger man when they don't wave. When I wave and they don't wave, I feel like the bigger man. Like, you know what I'm saying? I had a headlight out too. I had a headlight out. My right headlight's out.